If you've been exploring no-code AI design tools in 2026, you've probably heard of Higgsfield, and one of its key features that keeps popping up is Vibe Motion. But with so many AI creative tools today, you might be wondering, is Higgsfield Vibe Motion actually worth your money? Today we're breaking it down in a real, practical way so you can make that decision with confidence. First, let's talk about what Vibe Motion actually is. Vibe Motion is a feature built into Higgsfield that lets you generate animated visuals, motion scenes, and dynamic creative content using simple natural language prompts. Instead of manually creating movement frame by frame, you describe the motion you want, like smooth zoom in with gentle bounce or wave ripple background with slow fade, and the system generates it for you. One of the biggest advantages of Vibe Motion is the speed and ease. If you're a content creator, marketer, or designer who needs animated visuals often, this means you don't have to waste time learning complex animation software. You can simply type what you want and the AI interprets it into motion. This is powerful when you consider how much effort traditional motion design usually takes, even for experienced animators. Another strength is integration. Vibe Motion works with Higgsfield's visual generator, so you can apply motion to images, characters, illustrations, or backgrounds all in one workflow. This means you don't have to balance between multiple apps and import-export files manually. The unified environment saves time and keeps creative energy focused on ideas, not file management. But how good are the results? For many users in 2026, Vibe Motion produces animations that feel more organic than rigid templates. The motions look less like basic presets and more like intentional design. This is particularly useful for social media content, ads, pitch visuals, and dynamic presentations where subtle motion can make a big difference in engagement. Now let's talk about the trade-offs. One of the limitations with AI-generated motion is that control is not absolute. You describe what you want, but the final result depends on how the AI interprets the prompt. This means if you need ultra-precise animation like specific easing curves, exact timing, or frame-by-frame adjustments, you might still find yourself leaving the AI tool and using traditional software. Vibe Motion is great for fast, concept-driven motion, but it's not a replacement for high-end animation suites when precision matters. There's also the question of consistency. Because AI generation can vary slightly each time you run a prompt, there may be small differences between two animations that were supposed to look identical. For some creators, that's fine. A bit of variation adds character. But for brands that demand pixel-perfect consistency across multiple assets, this is something to consider. Now, let's talk about value. Higgsfield Vibe Motion is usually part of a subscription plan. This means you're paying for ongoing access to the feature, not just a one-off purchase. So the question becomes, does it save you more time and money than the cost of the subscription itself? For most people creating regular content, YouTube, Instagram Reels, ads, pitch decks, company internal media, the answer tends to be yes. The time saved alone instead of learning motion tools or outsourcing animation makes the subscription worth it. Another value factor is creativity. Tools like Vibe Motion inspire ideas you might not have thought of manually. Because you can experiment quickly with prompts, you often land on unique visuals faster. This ideation boost is something many creators find invaluable. So is Higgsfield Vibe Motion worth your money in 2026? The honest answer is, it depends on how you plan to use it. If you regularly produce dynamic content and value speed and creativity over manual control, it's a very strong tool. It accelerates your workflow and opens up motion design to people without animation backgrounds. But if you only need occasional motion or highly precise animations, you might not use it enough to justify the cost. In short, Vibe Motion isn't a magic wand that replaces traditional animation entirely, but it is one of the most efficient and accessible motion generation tools available today. For the right user, it's absolutely worth trying. If this review helped you decide whether Higgsfield Vibe Motion fits your creative workflow, leave a like, subscribe for more honest tool breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, what type of animated content do you want to create the most? I'll see you in the next one.